The PENTAIR Everpure Advantage, bringing commercial water filtration technology to your home. Reliable access to cleaner quality water is essential for life. This cartridge also reduces chlorine taste and odor, dirt and cloudiness, mold and algae, oxidized iron, oxidized manganese, oxidized sulfides, particles half micron and larger in size, limescale buildup in appliances that use water. The H-104 cartridge features a half gallon per minute flow rate, a 1,000 gallon capacity, cartridge length 14.5. Enjoy peace of mind. Our Everpure filtration systems / cartridges are certified to reduce lead. Everpure systems are rigorously tested to uphold NSF International and WQA certifications to ensure the water you're enjoying is free of off tastes, color, odor, and other impurities. Based out of the greater Chicago area, Everpure water filters have been providing the water you can trust, right here in the United States, since 1933. Top reviews from the United States. Filter cartridge came in 2 days. This replacement cartridge matches the original cartridge that was placed as a water and ice filter for my Sub-Zero over 15 years ago. I am just thrilled that they still make them. I always order 2 cartridges at a time just in case they stop carrying it. Follow the instructions carefully and the cartridge slips right into the slot and can be latched down. Ours is under the kitchen sink so it is visible. We write the date of installation in Sharpie on the cartridge so we know how long it has been used. We do not replace it in 1 year, more like 2 years, and have never experienced any problems. There are only 2 of us in the house, so that may be why it is not overused and does not need to be replaced often. The great thing about the company that sells this product is that it comes in 2 to 3 days.